Hello, my name is Karen and I live in sunny Florida, and this is my backyard. It's always been a dream of mine to live in Florida, and I can't tell you how amazing it is. It's just been a dream. And it's about 90 plus degrees right now, so we're gonna go inside. So I want to show you my studio, and that's what this video is all about. Just to kind of help you out, I had a couple people request how I film when I'm doing my sketching. So I started off with a really pretty basic makeshift just to get started. And if you're thinking about doing this, just get started. Just do it. Your first few videos are not going to be great. Nobody's is, and everybody says that. So just get started, do it, and you can work your way up. And every video gets better, and your skill set gets better, and your editing gets better. So let's go inside, and I'll share with you my little studio that's in a spare bedroom. So this is what I started off doing all my sketching on. This is just a little makeshift desk, and I have this pole that bends over. I clip my phone in to this little clipper like that, and then it faces down right on top of the desk. Now this isn't a desk, like I said, this is a cabinet actually with drawers, and it has all my tubes of oil paint in every drawer. There's brushes. I got this at Wayfair. It's a great desk, or I keep calling it desk. It's a great supply station that you can work off of. All these drawers, and I've just got them all filled with paint, brushes, and that little flap folds down on the left there. So it worked out okay, but I had to straddle it, and it was really uncomfortable. And I have that little chair that I bought a while ago. It's like a banjo chair. I got that on Amazon. So sometimes I sit on that if I'm working on something lower on the easel. And then I got this container called The Box on Amazon. It's kind of cheap. And this is the desk I got on Amazon. So I'm going to put this together tonight, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully all this nuts and bolts are in there. You know, that's always the case sometimes with putting these things together. So here is my new desk, but I'm going to take you on a little tour just around and show you a few things. This is one of those garage stands. You know, my husband had this in the garage. I stole it, and I put all my supplies on that. There's my little storage cabinet with the side folded down. This is a work in progress oil paint, a graphic pencil that I did in 2010, my new desk, and that pole doesn't work now because it doesn't reach all the way over. But anyways, we'll go back to that. This is an oil painting that I did way, way back in the day. Somebody talked me into doing a art show, my very first art show, and I won the best of show. It was my very first show, very first ribbon, and that was exciting. That got me started. So this is that first stand. Like I said, it doesn't reach across, so I can't use that, but I could use it like I did when I started the video today and I filmed myself outside. So it's still usable. This seems really well. I have not really done too much sketching with this yet, but it seems like it's going to work out really well. It seems really sturdy. The little mirror up there is great. That's bouncing around, but the stand itself is not bouncing. But that mirror is great because I could look up and see if I hit the play button or not, because a lot of times, you know, that happens, and I think I hit the play button. And it's got 2 drawers in the bottom. They're not great. They get in my way. It comes with this stupid little stool. That's not great. I don't know what to put in that. Pencils and pens pencils fit in that, but none of my pens fit in that. This little tray is not long enough to hold much. So overall, not a great desk, but you know, for a little over $100, it'll do for now. It'll be fine. But I think I recommend that because it's not going to be bouncing around. And I love that mirror. I didn't even know it was going to come with that. And this is where my two dogs hang out while I sketch. So that's the tour. And I hope that that helps you out a little bit. All I can suggest is just get started. You don't need the perfect equipment, but just get started. Nobody's going to watch your first 4 or 5 videos. They're just going to kind of be out there, and they're just good experience. And if you have any questions, gosh, YouTube, just go on YouTube. You'll find anything you need to know on how to film, edit, light, microphones, which I don't have. Yeah, just do it. You're going to love it. It's going to be fun. And if you are an artist, the art community is just the best community. We all uplift each other and we support each other, and it's just the best. Artists are amazing. So have a great day and see you soon.